Hello everyone. Welcome to Lecture 7 of our Oxford English Spoken course. In previous lectures, we learned present tense. Today, we will learn the simple past tense, which is used to talk about things that already happened. Don't worry, this lecture is easy, practical and speaking based. What is simple past tense? 5 minutes. We use simple past tense to talk about finished actions, yesterday, last night, last week, things that happened in the past. Structure, subject plus verb, second form plus object. Examples: daily life, 5 minutes. I went to school yesterday. She watched TV last night. We played cricket. He finished his work. Notice, go, went. Play, played. Regular and irregular verbs, 5 minutes. Regular verbs add ed. Play, played. Work, right arrow, worked. Clean, cleaned. Irregular verbs change form. Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Come, came. These verbs must be memorized. Negative sentences, 5 minutes. Structure, subject plus did not plus base verb. Examples: did you go to school? Did she call you? Did they play football? Answer: yes, I did. No, I did not. Speaking practice, 8 minutes. Repeat after me. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I went to school. I studied English. Now your turn. Speak 5 sentences about yesterday. Common mistakes, 3 minutes. I did went to market. I did go to market. She did ate food. She did ate food. Vocabulary focus, 5 words. Yesterday, last night, morning, evening, holiday. Practice these words in sentences. Motivation, 2 minutes. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you speak daily, fluency will come automatically. Don't stop, you are improving every day. That's all for Lecture 7, Oxford English. Practice today's tense daily. Worksheet link will be in the description. See you in Lecture 8.